Hi everyone! I know I'm a little bit late to the party, but I wanted to decorate my house for Halloween, so I decided to film a clean with me, and at the end you'll see everything I did to decorate for Halloween. So here's just a little preview of what my house looked like before, my lazy dogs. It wasn't too bad. I've been keeping it up, but there was some stuff to do. And of course it always takes me longer than I think it's gonna take me. But here's the before, and stay tuned so you can see how everything looks after, including all my Halloween decorations and even the outside, the way we decorated the outside of the house. Okay, so let's get started. I'm only doing the main living spaces because that's all I'm decorating for Halloween. So I have something cute for planned for my entryway. So here I'm going to clean my entryway a little bit. Have any of you seen that movie Clouds on Disney Plus? Oh my gosh, I watched it last night and I was just bawling. It just had me crying so bad. It's a really good movie. You guys should watch it if you get a chance. Things got so complicated. All I wanted was your love. It is time, should we break it? And here in the kitchen, I just needed to clean up after we ate breakfast and put away the dishes that I had washed last night. I think it's time for another pantry organization video. Just putting on a little bit of music to keep me motivated and cleaning. It is not the first time thinking that you'll come around. I've been waiting here before. It is not the first time thinking that you'll change this time. No, I don't need a heartbreak. I don't need to save you, 'cause I gotta be you, 'cause I gotta be you. No, I don't need a heartbreak. I don't need to change you, 'cause I gotta be you. I got this drain board from IKEA, but I'm not quite sure how I feel about it. I guess it's pretty good. And I waited too long to get the holiday scents, the fall scents of the Mrs. Meyer, so this is just lemon verbena. It smells really good though, I like it. For you to grow up. Has anyone tried this Dawn Power Wash? I bought it on accident. I didn't pay attention. I thought I was getting just regular Dawn. This stuff is really good. It shows it in the commercial. They put it on all their dishes. I don't really do that. I save it for my pans. I spray it on the pans that have like stuck on food. And with just in a minute or two, everything kind of just comes off so easy. I was really impressed.
Why don't you just move on? We ain't going nowhere. I got enough to do, then hang around and wait for you. I said I got enough to do, then sit around and wait.
And I don't know if you can see in the background, but the hand soap that I got is from Bath & Body Works, and it's called Vampire Blood. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. I really love it. I wish they had it in like body soap and body spray. I would absolutely buy it. You guys know I love vacuuming because that means I'm getting close to the end of the cleaning. But I gotta say, there is a lot of vacuuming that needs to be done. And I just love my e-cloth mop. That little cloth is washable, and then you just wet it, and I put a little bit of essential oil. This one's lemon, and then the whole house smells so good. And now for the fun part. This is what I had to work with. It's everything from last year. I think I added a few things, but not really anything major. So here's what I did. I wasn't really happy with the way this two-tiered shelf came out, so we need to go to Dollar Tree. If I buy any more decorations, I'll post it on my Instagram stories or just on Instagram. I also wanted to buy a little bit more stuff for the coffee bar. I just kind of ran out of things, so we'll see what I come up with that. And here's how everything came out. There's the two-tiered shelf and the area on my countertop. I love those glitter skulls. I think they're so pretty. And I'm just gonna buy some candy to put in this little basket. And I really didn't have very much to put on my bookshelves either. I thought I had a lot more decorations. Oh well, that's what I have. I love this spider too. It's so big. And this little Frankenstein Scrub Daddy was at my grocery store. I just couldn't resist. I had to get it. And this is what we did outside. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you have a happy Halloween.